M5498, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. My name is Marialyn Armstrong, 45 years old. I'm a single mom. I'm a college graduate. My daughter is 10 years old.
And your religion?
Is Roman Catholic.
And your highest educational attainment is college graduate.
Yeah,
What course?
Yeah. Education.
Bachelor's of Elementary Education. Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Hong Kong, tell me about your experience.
So my first experience, I will take care of the 5 and 7 years old. My duties and responsibilities there is to cooking, cleaning, marketing, washing the clothes, and car washing.
Okay. And you have another experience in the same country, in Hong Kong
in
also.
Hong Kong. My second experience there is to take care of the elderly 92 and 76 years old.
Okay, other
My
also
duties responsibilities is there is cooking, washing, ironing, marketing, car wash.
Okay, how
And
many car do
then,
you car wash?
Just only one. My duties and responsibility in elderly is to give the medicine and then give the food, and then I go to outside to walk in a wheelchair.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, so it is not okay to you to take care of a newborn?
No,
Because you don't, so you don't have experience. Okay, but you can take care of elderly.
Yeah,
It is okay
I
to
like,
you.
sir. I
And
like certain
children.
Yeah,
How about children?
okay.
Taking care of pets is okay with you.
It's okay.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because the Hong Kong is a high salary, and then near in the Philippines.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer, he likes to extend me, it's okay for me.
So it is okay to extend your contract.
Yeah.
By the way, why are you terminated on your second employer?
Because my employer, 92 years old, man is died at 92 years old.
So,
Passed away.
okay, so that you don't have any job on her to take care of the 92 years old. That's why they terminated the contract. Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a relative and they want to go inside the house? What will you
I
do?
cannot entertain the
person outside.
persons.
If the employer don't know the person outside. But if the employer know the person outside, you will entertain them?
No, no, sir.
If the employer knows the person outside, you will entertain them?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food? Because you are ex-Hong Kong, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
First is to I cook there in my second employer is to only to boil the egg, and then stir fry the vegetable, like there's the example, and then the tofu, cabbage, broccoli. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides?
Yeah.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper?
No, sir.
Why?
Because it's okay for me to only to work there in the house of my employer.
But if your employer have a big house and also
It's
have
okay,
a lot of
it's
family,
okay, it's
so it is
okay.
okay to you to
Yeah,
have
yeah. Helper.
another helper. Okay. It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yep.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yeah.
Also taking care of elderly.
Yes.
You already said to.
I
Okay.
like elderly.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employees
Yeah,
family.
so I learned basically in Cantonese. I have a learn in the Mandarin.
Okay, you have also Mandarin.
Yeah.
You know how to
How to
speak
speak
Mandarin.
Mandarin.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
So my future employer, you I will finish my contract, and then I'm patient, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Okay, can you also promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of
So
their
my
house?
future employment, I promise with you, I'm already finished my contract to you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Maria Lynn. Thank you.
Thank you.